power. Mold marks here. Let's see, here, 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 and here, and on the other side as well. They're hard to see, but they're there. Oh, there they are. Here, 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 here. Rectifier. Finally found a place to put it. I tried to glue it to the frame without much success, so I just am holding it in place with tape. It wraps around the bottom and comes up to this side. Basically, I'm debating what color to paint the grab irons, whether they should be black, like I've seen on some photographs of prototype cabooses, or whether they should be safety orange. When I was looking for brake detail kits, I stumbled across kits that are available to furnish the inside of these cabooses. I didn't look at it in detail. I think it's vintage, bunch of brake wheels, and yeah, shouldn't be a problem. This car came with a load, and you can see the places where a frame fit in there, and he carried a boat. And I found one of the pieces. Well, here it is, done. The flat car has got all its little boards painted. The first half, which is the half on the left here, came. This is the F7 that has the divider and the windscreen broken off. I cut a piece. Here's the crane with the windows masked off. I should have sprayed this with clear matte lacquer right after painting and before the windows were put on, but since I didn't realize